Good morning, everyone. How's everybody doing? All right. So, 3 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Technically, right now, at the beginning of the kill zone. Let's see what's happening on the Nasdaq. What a trade. Hey there. Good morning. Trader G. Good morning, guys. Applause to you guys and to everyone who just joined. Let's see what goes on with Nasdaq. We made history yesterday. So price went out to deep space to the wager. So that means we have a fair value gap down here on the 1 hour, as usual. All right, let me update this. No, that's not it. 1 hour fair value gap and buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. All right. That's cool. What else we have? This is Asia low. We have some buy side up there. How are you guys doing on this beautiful, fantastic morning? This is going to be an awesome day. I know that. That's a fact, actually. Looking at ES2. What was there some kind of a news right here? Oh, yeah, there was retail sales. Okay, pound retail sales. Oh, this is actually not good news, right? Okay. Oh no, there were no news. Or was it? Okay, sorry. Yeah, so they were expecting a much lower number. So actually, not good news. The value is decreasing, but anyway. Let's see. Fair value gap up there. I'm gonna put a buy side. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna put a gap here. 1 hour fair value gap. Sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. Okay, perfect. Perfect. What else we have? Nothing. All right. All right. All right. Okay, we have this bearish fair value gap there. So I think there's a good buy side opportunity on the 5-minute. It's really hard to tell because we're in the mid range right here, but we have some good distance. Bearish fair value gap here to the left on the on the 5-minute, and bearish order block as well. DJ, good morning. Hey there. So this could have actually put this lower. All right. Sell side here. Hard to say which direction to take right now. I'd like to think that this one can just dump lower into previous day low. Let me do a quick recheck on this one. Oh, come on. So If someone wants to target that, yeah. Could be a possible sell. But I don't know. Sweep maybe the Asia low. Previous day low is this. And we have PM session low here. So there is liquidity down there. Question is, how much liquidity, right? How much liquidity do we have down there? Sounds solid. This is really looking good down, but again we have order blocks up here. What does ES look like? Yeah, let's check the 1 hour ES. Not much. A little bit looks bullish on the 1 hour. We can still go higher on because it's Friday, so let's not forget that. I don't think we're gonna see this one dumping just right now. But I thought that NQ wants to take this. I mean, I think that NQ wants to take this sell side here. So price went up there, started to dip down, went further down, maybe one more leg down there to the 1 hour gap to take out that sell side. Which is at 26. Yeah. Maybe all the way down to that 526, 32 maybe, not sure. 32, 33. What is the low? 32. So previous day low is 32. Could be good. I don't know. What are you guys thinking? Any levels? Any suggestions? Open for suggestions, guys. I'm open for suggestions. I think it's still bullish overall, but it's hard to say. It's really, really, really hard to say. If this one would shift higher, then it's a very good chance to target that fair value gap up there. But let's see. This is a 4 hour level as well, right here. So I wonder if it wants to go down there, maybe tap into that 4 hour gap or not. I mean, I'm not really into this 4 hour chart. I was just looking at the daily chart. A little bit of a divergence there. Who knows? Who knows, right? I mean, previous day low is technically the Asia low down there. So you know, if that's a possible target. And no news on this one. What do we have? Euro Summit. Fed chair. Oh, Powell is going to. Oh yeah, great. He's gonna speak at 10 a.m. That's gonna shake the market a little bit. I think so. Okay. We have a little bit of a sell side at 44. I don't know. Could be going for that Asia though. Not sure. Not sure if it will. Morning, Oliver. Hey there. Too soon, too far. I think it will go down by 1%. Sold NQ and S&P half an hour ago. Well, yeah. I think so too. I think so too. I just translated, Oliver. Good morning to you too. All right. I mean, if I look at the 5-minute, you know, I mean, we were so bullish. I mean, this is still looking very bullish for me. We made a new high there. Well, I'm not sure. We have sell side down there, but we have previous day low. What is the low of this? Actually, 32. 32, coordinate 32. Okay, so that would be like 20 points lower yesterday's low. I don't know if it wants to take it. Everything just looks very much indecisive. Marco, good morning there. Last time I was in Budapest was long time ago. Hungaroring, yeah, nice. Oh wow, I was, back in the days. Well, I think actually it wasn't that long ago. In 2000. Oh, it was long ago. In 2013, I was in the Hungaroring. I was having my own BMW Z4. Back then, it was the newest model. And I had a 35 IS, and we bought a ticket for Hungaroring, and so there was an opportunity to drive around the track with your car, and I was messing around with my Z4 there. It was a nice car. Good old Hungaroring. Yeah, I was I was an idiot back then. I'm still an idiot now, but less of an idiot. I'm a good idiot now. So, what is happening? It seems like it's finding some grip at the midnight open, but as far as I can tell, there are targets for multiple directions. I mean, if we look at the 1 hour swings, still in kind of premium. It would be favorizing the shorts, but you know, and the 4 hour still haven't really moved into this gap. Not enough idiots. I just had to be one of them. I just had to be one of them. So yeah. Crazy times. Crazy times back then. So we had a news release at 3 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, pound GDP, I think it was. No, retail sales, sorry. Pound retail sales. Trying to determine how that news is affecting the market. We have some equal highs up there. So, well, so that is interesting. And we still have the Asia lows. Could be ranging here for a while, just saying. Could be rangy, but Fridays could be like bullish runs. So this can be just one of those Fridays as well. The whole week was pretty much bullish. So I would expect the same. I'm also big. Oh well. Let's see what's gonna happen here. Not too much volume or any news driver this morning. Not too many, right? Just the Euro Summit and Powell at New York session. So not expecting too much. So far. Maybe London Open will give us something to go with. Still hovering at the midnight range. Fair value gap at 26 on the 1 hour. Don't know. Yesterday's low is about 20 points away, which is the Asia low. So who knows? Are we gonna take it or not? Virai, hey there. Hope you make great profits. Thank you so much, Virai. Thank you. I wish the same to you guys, everyone. Hope you guys will make good profits. Even if, you know, And by the way, if it's not just about profits. As long as you follow your risk management or your trading plan, even if you lose, you still win. And I do like that concept. Even if you lose by trading your plan, or you trade by your risk management, you're actually winning every day. That's the only thing how you can win every single day, even when you lose. And I think that's a huge thing, huge difference. And that's how you should always look into the face of the market. Like, who cares? I'm following the plan, so I'm winning every day, even if I lose. Just like Scarface said, I mean Al Pacino said in Scarface, I always tell the truth, even when I lie. Okay. I don't know if ES still wants to go down there. Hard to tell. Small shift here. Not that significant, but still. No structure. Except for this one. So this could be a bullish scenario. But we have very low volume right now, so just careful with that. I like to think that we go down, but the thing is that as long as we're right here at the middle, I just don't know how it will go. Let me know what you guys are up to, what you guys are looking for. McLovin, good morning. Good morning from Cyprus. Wow. How do they pronounce it? Cyprus? I think Cyprus. Yeah. What the Forex? Good to see you, my man. How is the weather down there? Oh my god, I want to go there for a holiday. That's for sure. I have a friend who always goes there almost every summer, and he always tells me I have to go there and have a nice time because it's beautiful, and I know it must be. Never been there. So looking for possible targets. Sunny morning, nice. You was right with your first. Oh, Cyprus. Okay, Cyprus. Nice. Okay. Cyprus? No. Cyprus. Have to look after that. Okay, so this one started to go down a bit. Is it gonna take out yesterday's low? I wonder. Who knows, right? Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? So this long actually failed there and spiked lower, and we have the Asia lows right down there, still intact, and we have a beautiful 1 hour fair value gap. We just have to figure out where does it want to go, because this spike down actually took this sell side a little bit, creating a little bit of a relative equal lows, but it's still not really the thing that I think. I mean, if it wants to reach sell side, it definitely has to go at least for the Asia low. The good news is that it's yesterday's low, which is good. Which is good for us if we're looking for some liquidity down there. Still 30 minutes until London. So let's just wait for it. ES is at pivot point. Oh yeah, I don't trade pivots. I know everybody. Why don't you trade pivot points? I don't know. Good question. Never really did, but I think I should look into pivot points. On ES, I'm actually looking for price to. I mean, this was Powell. This boner candle here, this is Powell. So I'd like to see it go down there, and the same goes for NQ. So there is buying power for sure. Bulls are definitely holding this back. Bears are having a hard time. All right. ES tapped Asia low just now. Oh yeah, it did. Yeah. Viox, hey there. How you doing? How is everybody doing? Let me give you guys a proper applause. So, ES tapped the Asia lows, which can be interesting because NQ can turn extremely bullish if this is that classic SMT divergence. Although we have relative equal lows here, so it can just go lower. Nobody knows that, of course. The market does what it wants to do. Still trading for fun. You know, that's the best thing if you're trading for fun. Hello, Teacher FX. How you doing? Oh, you know, I'm okay. I am just looking for, I mean, trying to figure out where price might want to go. We have some sell side here on the 1 hour on NQ. Also, we have buy side, beautiful liquidity points up there. Trying to follow the footsteps of what ES wants to do. And We're very close for, I mean, to yesterday's low on NQ, only like 13 points away. So, well, I took a very low risk trade. I mean, not low risk, small position is that I wanted to say. Where is it anyway? Where is it? What's here? So this is a very small risk position that I took. Only targeting yesterday's low. The risk reward is not so good, and that's the only thing I have. Let me see. Yeah, you guys can see it. It's actually 2 micros, so just targeting yesterday's low. So nothing fancy, nothing special in this. I'm actually looking to, yeah, so I thought I'm gonna take only one contract off at 33, but I think if it gets there, I'm just gonna take all of it off, and that's it. I mean, that's good for a pre-London position, but you know, that's the position I'm in right now. It's not a big deal. It's it can actually turn around super easy, so still holding it. If it starts to change direction, then I'll be just looking for these highs up there. We have relative equal highs from Asia session as well, Asia highs actually. So if this one fails, then we could look for those highs eventually. So that's the only thing right now. Afternoon, Muhammad. Hey there. I don't know. I don't have super high hopes. We have equal lows on ES. Maybe it will go down there. I don't know. It's just close to previous day low, which is at 32. So as far as I can tell, we might have a good chance for this one to reach profit level. And yeah, that's the thing. Lambo trader, not turtle trader. I am definitely a turtle trader. I'm just looking for yesterday's low, Asia low, yesterday's low. So I mean, that's like 32, by the way, not 33. So if it wants to go for the, hey Raphael, thank you so much for the subscription. Welcome on the channel. So if they want to take it, they should pierce through that 33 level anyways. And yeah, if not, then we're just gonna go look for something else. Almost there, yeah. But you know, many times this happens. Like we're almost there with a few points, and then it just turns around. But you know, what can we do? I mean, if it wants to sweep liquidity, it should take it. We should take it. If not, then no, we can't win them all. Of course. So yeah. Yeah, it can make one more leg up. Yeah. Should take it. It's very close. It's only a few points. In terms of liquidity, that would be the only logical place for it to go. But, you know, we don't know. Drop a like. Thank you. Yeah, guys, please, if you can help out the stream and drop a like, I would appreciate it very much. And if you guys want to grab some good discounts, there's very good promotions going on. No activation fee, by the way, on my funded futures until the 6th of April. No activation fee if you pass your accounts until the 6th of April, but only on the starter accounts. Use the discount codes, yeah. So that's a very good deal. Basically, you can get, for example, a 50K account for $70. I know it's more expensive than at TOPSTEP, but you get every benefit, not just the end of day trading drawdown, a very good payout policy. You can trade up to 20 micros, which is very good. And yeah. And no activation fee. So if you can do it, then you get the funded account for $70. That is like the cheapest. For $70 a funded account, a 50K funded account, or and so on, 100K, 150K. So that's the cheapest, like everywhere. So that's a very good deal from my funded futures right now in terms of true cost of funding until April the 6th. And resets are also down to $50. So you can reset the account for $50 until the 6th of April. Just saying. Tom, when you gonna start the gaming live streams? Well, I was thinking about that, and I don't know if it's a good idea, but I want to. I don't know if it's a good idea to put gaming stuff into the channel where I mostly do trading stuff. So maybe I could do it on a separate channel. I'm not sure. Try to ask around from a few streamers, and everybody told me I should not mix the things. So if my channel is 100% trading related, and if I start to stream gaming, then that would, by the YouTube algorithm, actually would put me a little bit behind, because this is unconfirmed, but they say that YouTube algorithm always prefers channels, like spreading those channels who are into a specific niche. So if I start to do all kinds of stuff on my channel, then YouTube is just going to downgrade me or put me a little bit behind in the search things and everything. And I don't know. I'm not an expert. Yeah, I'm looking to do that. Maybe I did that a long time ago, and I might looking to do that again. I would actually like to play GTA roleplay. I did that many times, many times. I was playing a Russian guy named Yuri. Because I have a small accent, of course, although it's Hungarian, but at least I could go with the accent. And I was playing a Russian guy in GTA, like a little bit of crazy guy with huge jaws and long hair and a little bit like a funky, no, yeah, but yeah. Yeah, I was doing role play. I was doing role. I liked it. I met some good people, like not even youngsters, like in my age, who were playing role play. And I was on Lucid City. I was whitelisted too. Did some good scenarios, fooling around. It was good. We liked that. Actually, I still have a clip somewhere in my Discord, I think. I should have it somewhere in my Discord. I'm gonna have to search for it. And the clips. Where is it? Yeah, I still have it. Yeah, I'm not gonna show it. It's a little bit embarrassing to show you guys how I play GTA roleplay. No, 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 no. No. You can do ASMR. You will make a lot of money. I do, right? So there was one time when we gathered together with a few role players, and we did some stupid stuff. Like, what the hell was that? I don't even know. Yeah, that was on Twitch. That was on Twitch.
Yes. Okay, go buy some. If you bring us drinks.
Yeah, oh my god, that was stupid. That was stupid. I mean, we laughed a lot. We laughed so much. Like it was super funny. Super funny. Where is it anyway? I know I have another clip somewhere. So there are a few scenarios that I always liked. Where is it? It's not there. It's not there. It's not it. I thought I had it. No, no, no. Oh, there it is. Oh, this was nice. This was nice. I'm gonna oh, look at that. It went up there. Yeah, what a reversal. Yeah. Look at this. Look at this. What a reversal. It was beautifully down. I told you guys it used to do that. Goes down. Almost you're looking for that Asia sweep, and then it just, you know, takes you out. It just takes you out. That used to happen. So these scenarios are unfortunately used to happen. The good thing, I mean, I'm not sure it's a good thing or not, that we have a small liquidity void here. Not sure if that's enough to pull price back down there. My stop is a little, I mean, up there, but I don't like this move. I never like these kind of moves because these are a little bit like algorithmical price delivery. Going straight up, takes everybody out. I'm not even trading trend lines, and you know, this one can just pop higher. And I used to watch the trend on these ones. Yeah, I don't like this move. This is actually looking very, 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 very bad. Bearish was too obvious. I agree. It was too good to be true. Too good to be true. And look at that. ES actually took out, I mean, spiked down. Now it's repricing this liquidity void. Not sure if it will be. I mean, now it's repricing that void, and it's just not good. The problem is that NQ was the weaker market here, and it's just gonna spike higher. So my wife Demi says hello. Oh, she's looking at you, and she like you at spending time trading. What? Okay, I said yeah, I do. Demi smile. All right. Cool. Thank you. That's right. Very. I'm privileged. I'm honored. Oh man, look at this. It's gonna take me out here. What a crazy move. So the only thing that could pull this down, we have a small void, we have the Asia low, but I can definitely imagine that it just takes me out there, and maybe then will turn around and just, you know, goes down again. Not sure. These are definitely one of the most dirtiest moves you can have, and it's like 10 points up there to the next swing high. I can absolutely imagine that this one will just, you know, go up there and take out that high. What can you do, right? Not much, I guess. ES is heading higher. Yeah. Only thing you can do is stick with your trading plan and hope for the best. Stick with your trading plan and hope for the best. That's all you can do at this point. Fendi, good morning. David, hello. My stop loss is just, sorry. Oh, this is ES, I'm sorry. My stop loss is just here at 72, 75, so I think it can take it out, but let's look at it. What happens if it go up there? Because it can actually. This was a very strong and steep movement, and there are many stops above this level. Look at that. Actually, I'm almost out. I closed the trade, guys, manually. I closed the trade. It was not that ideal, so I just closed it. I'm out. I have no positions. Let me show you. Do I have orders? I'm flat. I have no working orders, nothing. Unfortunate. Unfortunate. This happens sometimes. This is trading. Cannot do anything more with it. You know, looking for the next one. That's all you can do. When trading minis, oh my god. Well, if I would trade minis, if I would trade minis, I would have to go with a very tight stop, and that would be like pure scalping. I mean, I would need to go with like 5 or 8 points at maximum. You know, if I'm, you have to count with $5 commission, a little bit of slippage if they can put you out with a market stop order. So that's like 1 extra point even, or sorry, 1 or 2 extra ticks. So you have to count an extra $20 because of commission and slippage. That's just an average number with 1 mini. And so if you go with about 6 minis, that's only $120 plus commission and slippage, that's $140. So, you know, just 1 mini, that's about $140, $160, $200 with 1 contract, with 1 position. And that is really stressful. You really have to know what you're doing if you're scalping there with 1 mini. I mean, I'm not saying you can't, because many traders do it extremely good. I can't because I don't have the nerves for it. But yeah. Market is about to open again. Open again? Yeah, of course, because it's 9 o'clock Friday. So after Thursday, market is about to open again Friday at 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock at my time, which is 8 o'clock at London time. Look at this, closed it down. Actually, it would have hit my stop loss just here. Hit my stop loss to the exact tick before dropping. Yeah, same goes with me all the time. I just hate this. It's so, this is so dirty. I mean, this was so dirty. You know, it was too good to be true, really. Yeah. Wet milled. I definitely feel you there. I hate these kind of moves. When I see these type of candles going so strong, I can almost certainly say that they are looking for some kind of a swing high. So I think we should wait for market open and see for a better position, because this was just crazy right now. We have a liquidity void down there on Nasdaq, and not even on the micro, but on the mini, which is a bigger deal down there. I'm gonna mark that out. Liquidity void here and here. By the way, guys, please push the like button and help out the stream with a like. Thank you so much. It's free to do and it helps out my stream. Thank you so much for the support. Okay, there's a liquidity void. Should be repriced sooner or later, but those are not so strong points. I'm just saying, if price would gravitate towards this, then chances are very high that it at least is going to wick down and reprice it. Morning, Sahid. How you doing? I think they want to take out Asia highs first, then possibly head back down. Could be, absolutely. We have Asia highs actually about nearly almost at the 600. If they take out Asia high at 596-ish, which, yeah, then they should go into the fair value gap on the 1 hour. If you look at the 5 minute, by the way, this is a beautiful, beautiful long entry on the 5 minutes. So if anyone wants to take it, this is a perfect entry. Just go for the 5 minute and look at how beautiful this is. It's actually a bullish breaker. The only thing that is missing is a significant sweep of liquidity, because it only swept this right there. So the move has not been finished. But otherwise, if we just look at this formation right here, this is beautiful. I mean, it doesn't really get any better than that. I mean, this right here is the absolute most beautiful 5 minute entry right here to go long. So it's up to you guys. Market open is just here. You have to make the decision. Tom, this is you. Your trade that just happened. What?
Oh man.
Hold on. I might have to watch this on my other screen. Because of monetization, you know. They are very strict with this monetization stuff. So let me... Good video. I like these kind of videos. Let's buy the dip. Oh. It just dropped. I'm watching the video. Long tail on previous day candle. Yeah. Man, this video. All right, I'm gonna watch it. I'm gonna concentrate on the chart. Basically, this video is basically every trader. I'm gonna put this into my clips. I like this. This is basically like every trader operates. Really, Camille, that is a perfect. Oh man, that is absolutely the way every trader operates. Almost no exceptions, like really. At least, I mean, anyway. If this is a good trade, why do you not take it? Well, first off, all my stop loss was up here and I entered up. So I closed it manually, but it would have taken my stop because it was below that wick. It was somewhere here. And second of all, we have the London Open less than 1 minute away. So that can cause price to shake out a little bit. Some more liquidity. We have relative equal highs now up here. This one is relative equal highs, which makes going short a little bit more riskier right now. Even if I would re-enter the trade to take the sell side liquidity, I would be afraid that after the London Open, it just spikes up, takes this one, and even goes higher to the bullish fair value gap, which is the CB, sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency up there. So have to wait for London Open, have to wait a few minutes and see what they want to do. And maybe if we have at least a 1-to-1 risk to reward, maybe we can jump in. London is opening in 5 seconds. Yeah, it's a funny video. Grams, by the way, thank you for joining. Look at that. London is open. Let's see if they take this equal highs. Sweep liquidity. Right there. If they do, well, yeah, I think they will. The question is going to remain where to go. Chop day potential. Yeah, Fandy, I'm afraid so. There is a possibility for a chop day. So, still sideways. If price would do a very significant displacement lower towards the sell side, I would consider to re-enter once more to take out the Asia low. Otherwise, at this point, just have to wait what the market really wants. On the 5 minute, there is a bearish order block right here. I think it's going to take out that liquidity, and everything looks a little bit more bullish right now than bearish. These long wick candles indicating that bulls are still in play. Sellers are a little bit weak, and on the 5 minute we have also this bearish order block. So I do like the target up there. I'm turning my bias for the short term to bullish actually. And if I see a nice displacement to the upside, I might jump in and target the sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency up there. Market is currently not bullish. I know currently we're just ranging, but that's my plan. I just said if I see that, I'm going to go with being bullish. Actually, I did not say that, so I'm sorry. But yeah, that's true. But if I see a displacement, you know, in trading, let it be day trading, swing trading, whatever, the only thing you have to ask for yourself, where is the possible draw on liquidity? Where is the draw on liquidity? That's the only question you have to answer by anticipating what could be happening. No matter like what bias you are, you can be biased, bullish, bearish, whatever. At the end, whatever time frame you're entering, you have to ask, where is the draw on liquidity? Good morning, Casey. Grams, you have to wait now. The setup and let give price. Yeah, the only thing we can do right now is let price show us where it's gravitating towards to. And if we see that move playing out, then we could have a higher probability. Let it be a bearish or bullish scenario. We shall see in time. Right now, somebody pulled the plug on Nasdaq, so it's just turned off again. Trader Oracle, hey there. My one and only member, Trader Oracle. Huge welcome. I just woke up. Are we rich yet? Almost. Getting there. By the way, guys, I'm very excited. 2 of my accounts are getting close to being funded. So I'm really excited about that. And I'm hoping that I can finish with my funded futures until the 6th of April, because there is no activation fee on my funded futures until the 6th of April. No activation fee. Just saying. So if you grab a 50K, for example, a 50K account with my code and my link, and if you pass it until the 6th of April, there is no activation fee. Just saying, it doesn't get any cheaper than that, really, with the true cost of funding. Lifetime, $70 if you pass. I know it's more expensive than TOPSTEP, but you can still get the end of day trailing, good payout policy. You get the micros, everything you need. Thank you, Trader Oracle. Thank you. Just wrote that I'll be having $1 million for next month. Trading success. Yeah, I hope you're seeing the futures because your name has Oracle in it. So I hope you see that correctly. Anybody is welcome to join to the members list, by the way. So NQ is stopped. ES is also stopped moving, hovering at the midnight opening range. Nothing is happening. By the way, I was super happy yesterday. I saw Methodical Man reaching the payout threshold at BULENOX, and this is awesome. This is awesome. Funny story, I read tarot cards professionally. No, you're not serious, Trader Oracle. You're not serious. You can't be serious. Do you trade? Yeah, I trade every day, Grams. I trade. I'm every day here. These are the things I'm sharing with you guys here on stream are evaluation accounts. I do have funded account too with TOPSTEP. I'm not sharing those results on a daily basis with you guys. All I can tell you is that the last profit I took out from TOPSTEP was in February, and that was $350-ish. And before that, last year, I took out $4,200 from TOPSTEP. There's a video in my previous videos, if you guys want to check it out, how my results went with TOPSTEP last year. And so from this year, I'm willing to build up more funded accounts. So I'm trading with all these companies you see up there because I think these are the best. The smallest one is BULENOX, which doesn't mean it's not good. It's a great so far. My funded futures, TOPSTEP and Apex Trader is my top 3 choice. Every one of them is having different perks and features, but I think they are all very, very good. Apex is definitely good. I don't care about the intraday trailing stuff because everybody says, yeah, but Apex says intraday trailing. So who cares? It's actually gonna lock anyway, so it's gonna stop trailing. So yeah, cheap upfront costs with Apex, but we have very good discounts, so go check it out. Yeah. How is your trading going? I had a small loss. I was short. I'm gonna show you. I was short from somewhere around here. My stop was here, and I closed it manually. My TP was down there, so it went good, and then just turned around and I closed it manually. So that was my trade. Now I'm just waiting if it wants to take this liquidity right there. Third reading for traders. That would be a good, yeah. That would be even better if you could tell us to go bullish or bearish, you know. There should be a system for that. But as you see right now, Nasdaq is stopped. It's not moving. It's just stopped. It's stopped. Bearish 680. That's nice if you're holding from there. Why did you turn off the NQ? I told them that I want to trade, so I don't understand why they turned off the Nasdaq, not me. Oh man. We don't know what this thing wants to do. This is typically the waiting game. For now, at this very moment, it seems like that they might want to continue to drop to take out sell side. But let's check. Yeah, ES started to go down as well. I'm gonna go with the 15-minute ES. Yeah, let's go with the 1 hour, 4 hour. Okay, so the 4 hour would be at 93. It can go down, but be careful. Be careful. OMG, my dog was chewing on the NQ cable. I think he broke that thing. Man, I can imagine that. He broke it, right? Now the thing is that we have these relative equal highs. I don't like that. You can, if you're very, very aggressive, you can go short here. You know, in the hope that we will dip down. There's a small liquidity. You can also use liquidity voids to enter a trade, in my opinion, because we had a small structure shift here. So it's up to you guys. The problem is we have these relative equal highs up here. That's what concerns me a little bit. What do we see here? Not much. So this would be an aggressive short. That can work out actually. But if this would start to go down to the midnight area, then we have a high chance to reprice this liquidity void at 45 maybe. And if it does that, then maybe go for the sell side as originally intended to. But now I think is just might want to go higher, as I said, to take out that equal highs up there. You don't know, but I think it will. It's like just a few points away. Sweep some liquidity there, and you know, who knows. $11 contract position. Yeah. It can be ranging. Yeah. 540, 590. Definitely. It can happen. Like, you know, this scenario, this rangy, this can continue all day long. I mean, all session. Not ideal, that's for sure. Okay, now this move is something I kind of like, because if this displacement is gonna stay like this, then it might give us an opportunity to look for the 95 levels as the Asia high. I might gonna target them, but we need this candle. Well, this candle is actually already almost good because it closed higher, so it shifted higher, and I like that. So we need 25 more seconds. Let me measure this move here. Maybe it's gonna be the scenario like really taking the Asia high. We have a good risk to reward here so far, so why not? Yeah, let's see. Entry level at this fair value gap down there. That's a good one. Like this. I like that. I like that entry. So the low of this candle is actually yeah. Okay, so I just entered. Oh man. Okay, anyway, I entered to a position and I want to target the 1 hour fair value gap up there, which is actually a little bit higher than the Asia high, but we'll look into that. Maybe I'm gonna close partial at 94. Let me see. I'm gonna close a partial at 94, and final TP would be at maybe 600. No, I'm gonna go with 601.50. Just for the fun. 601.50. All right. Let's see how that turns out. Stop loss should be below that swing. So let me put it there. And let's see. I caught along earlier at 533. Nice. 271 with 5-point stop. Not much. Hey, it's still good. It's still good. It's absolutely fine. It's absolutely fine. So Asia highs are at 94. Okay. Just checking. Now, if this one starts to go down, then the only possible target could be the Asia low. Nothing else. And then I would like to wait for the next move. How's it looking on the 5-minute, by the way? Looks okay. Looks okay-ish for now. Oh no, maybe not. Maybe not. Asia lows are actually yesterday low is at 32. So if it goes down, oh, I really have to think twice what to do then. How long I like hope at price mean? Well, it's already at the position when you might want to enter, but the problem is I don't like this steep drop here. Could be just a liquidity sweep here, and now it goes to the lows. Oh man, I was a little bit chasing it. That's true. I admit I was chasing it a little bit there. But at least I executed it as according to plan, as I analyzed it, that where it should go, but a little bit rangy. All right. Yeah, let's hope. My entry is very bad. Original entry should have been at 71, but my entry is off 2 points, so that's not good. I'm at 73.25, so actually not a good entry. I think you could support, I think, well, maybe. It could be acting as kind of a support, but you know, Asia high is somewhere in this area, right there, that line around 95-ish, but who knows. Nothing to trade. Yeah, that's true. No real news anyways this morning. Just have to wait. What is ES up to? ES is spiking higher. Asia highs are at 53.10. The big picture is still bullish. I mean, the 4-hour is definitely bullish. The 1-hour is definitely bullish. You know. Hey, Captain Price, connected. Well, yeah. Yeah, it's connected definitely with all this. Morning, John. Hey there, John D. Forgot to see you there. Finally to my rhythmic. Okay. I misunderstood. It's connected. I mean, I thought you're referring to these two markets that they are connected. But if you're connected to your rhythmic, that's also good. You're pretty happy. You know, I'm happy for you. I'm happy for you too. Let's see what's gonna happen here. We should, you know, if they want to pop the Asia highs, then 95-ish area should be at least the target. I don't know, but then we have the 1-hour gap. Oh, somebody, Wen Oyang just subscribed. Thank you so much and welcome to the channel. Price action too slow and dangerous. You think it goes and then retraces? Hell, I think anything can happen. As you said, this is very dangerous because it's slow. It's slow, and if we zoom out, you can clearly see that we are in this range. So the range right now is pretty obvious: Asia highs and Asia lows, and we are inside this range, and we are trading in this box. The only question is, which direction are we going to break out from this box? One thing is for sure: the 32 or the 95 is gonna get taken sooner or later. That is a scientific fact. My RSI, I wasn't even checking the RSI, but we can look at it. Actually, it's not mandatory for me. We are a little bit in the overbought territory. That doesn't mean anything on RSI, but I would more likely check the moving averages. This is shifting to be bullish. The moving averages is shifting a little bit to bullish. Have to wait. Have to wait. Have to wait. For now, this area is holding, but if it breaks lower, then the only target could be the Asia low. Nothing else. Time will tell, for sure. 100%. Oh, look at that. Starts to go down again. Don't know what's happening. Feels like there's not enough steam in the bulls right now to push it. I mean, they would really need to get a grip on these liquidity levels up there. If we look at the hourly, this level is actually very clean at 601. This fair value gap. It's pretty nice. This is actually shifted structure. So, I mean, also this is a 5-minute bearish order block, and these kind of order blocks like to be taken out or serve as possible targets. My entry is very bad, guys. I messed up my entry because I pushed market orders a little bit late, so my entry is 73.25. My risk reward ratio is off. It's absolutely not good. Usually I would go with at least a 1 to 2 risk to reward, but since my entry is so bad, actually, yeah, my risk reward is 1.7 at best. I'd like to go with 2. So this is my original entry right here, and it's off. I wanted to wait for it to go down to 70, so I'm off at least 3 points. You know, sometimes these few points count a lot. You know, trust me. 1 point here, 2 point there, 3 point here, 2 point there. At the end of the day, these points count a lot. A lot. They're adding together, it counts. Friday is TP day, yeah. So we were at 80, above 80, and the Asia high is at 95. 15 points. For NQ, that should not cause a big deal. That should be not a problem. And for ES, that's almost 5 points to go higher. So we have every chance to pop into Asia highs, but just doesn't really want to do that. At least not now. Good morning, Erkan, and good luck. Good luck to you as well. Ho, ho, ho. Push the like button, guys, and help out the stream. Thank you very much. So we're looking for that area. Hold on. Okay, we're still going up there. Let's see what is going on. Oh, what is trying to read my email and it's not working. Now it's working. Okay. So Chop City, yeah. The only thing we know for sure is that the Asia high and the low is kind of like created a box between 595 and 526 ish, and one way or another at one side should be popping, you know. One side should be popping. My stock is looking ugly, and yeah, I think these oscillators are not working so fine on mornings like this. What do you guys think? Is it going to pop the Asia high? Let me know. Is it going to pop the Asia highs? Oh, come on, look at that. Playing with our nerves here. This is price action by surprise. You do not look for 2 minutes and something happens, yeah. That proper price action on forehead. Yeah, it's pushing, for now. There is a small fair value gap here. I mean, if some of you guys are super aggressive, you can enter another long here. You can add one more. if you're very confident that we're gonna pop the Asia high at 95. This is an area that you can add one more, but then you should, you know, trail your stop up here. And we'll see. We were getting very close to the upside there. Oh yeah, I mean, this is, I've seen this so many times, especially on Friday. It could be, you know, and so what can happen right here is that it's going to look like this, goes up almost, and then boom, just goes down there. So this is also a scenario, happened many times, because you know, it's just a lack of volume. By the way, I was thinking that maybe I should be looking into the volume indicators. I wanted to do some research on the volume indicators. Is it any good? Is there any kind of volume indicator that I could be using, you know, or which type of volume indicator should I be using? Any suggestions, guys? I'm seriously asking this question. If any one of you guys are into using volume indicators, first question, is it any good? Is it worth to look into that? Should I do some research? Which one to use? Which volume indicator to use? Because I see so many traders online and on Discord and everywhere. Everybody's using all type of volume indicators. So is it really worth something? Is it helping filtering out some trades, you know, or time of day, or when to enter? Because I was really curious to look into the volume indicator, but some people say it's definitely useless to use volume indicator, because that's also a lagging indicator. It shows you the past, and yeah. So that's what I don't know. For example, I was studying bookmap too, but then I realized, you know, to determine possible areas of liquidity, you don't really need bookmap. Maybe I am wrong. I'm open for suggestions, but I don't know. Not sure about that. Some traders use bookmap all the time, and I talked to some guys at the bookmap Discord channel that they say that it's absolutely one of the best things out there to have bookmap, but I don't know, maybe I'm wrong. Now the problem here with this one, if I zoom it out, let's zoom it out, let me delete this gap here. If I zoom this one out, this means we had a market structure shift here. Market structure shift again. Bearish market structure shift. Spiked a little bit here. If this one is going to leave a gap again, for example here, okay, it's closing it. It's closing it. But if it leaves a gap there, then this one could be, actually it's gonna leave a gap. Oh no, almost. So this is a possible short trade. Not a perfect short trade, but that scares me a little bit there, you know. But hopefully the goal is to take out the Asia high. Visible range volume profile and auto anchored volume profile. See what you think. Visible range volume profile. I'm gonna write that down, John. I'm writing it down. Visible range volume profile and auto. Okay. Well, range volume profile and Auto anchored volume profile. Anchored volume profile. I'm not changing my strategy or anything. I'm just using this as an extra confluence to filter out some better trade entries. So I'm not strategy hopping. I'm sticking with the same kind of model which I did in the past couple of months since last summer. So nothing is changing, but I'm always looking for extra information if I can fine tune a little bit my entries. So auto anchor volume profile. Okay. Fibs. Yeah. I'm not trading fibs. It never worked out for me. I know many people trade it with very good results. Trading the Fibonacci never worked out for me. Never ever. The only thing I do with Fibonacci is I look for the 50% level, which is the equilibrium. That's it. Or golden level, as some may say. Never were successful. Not even backtesting or collecting data with the fibs. Never really worked for me. 2K more to get 250K funded. Okay, that deserves an applause. Camille, congratulations. When trading minis, you don't... with minis, if you're trading minis, by this time from 3 a.m. by this time you already blown your account with a 50K account, for example. If you're trading minis, by this time you would have blown your account. Almost 100% sure. This price action blows you away with minis. Pinpoint accurate for me, never more than 20 point stop. Oh yeah. I'm sticking with the micros. I'm very comfortable, much less stressful. I can make more entry, even if I got a little bit tilted, which I want to avoid. But even if I feel the tilt, and if I stick with micros, I still have a little bit of, will to talk myself out of the trade. Like I reach a mental stop and I say, okay, thank God I was not in with minis. Just, let's walk away and that's it. Yeah, that's for gaming. The tilt is also for trading. And, using the word tilt, it's not just for today's day trading. They were using the word back in the 70s, 80s, if someone was tilting out at the pit, when trading. Okay. I'm going to tell you guys, if we reach the 95.25, I might close the trade because this is a little bit slow. I was on tilt yesterday. Oh, John Doe, how comes that? Why were you on tilt? What happened, man? Come on, spill your gut here. You're at the right place. It's a trading sanctuary right here. It's gonna be, you're between friends, you can tell it. What happened? By the way, guys, I know I said it before, but this is what I do. Can you push the like button and support the stream? Thank you so much. It's free. Gives more exposure to the stream. I went long, stopped, got stopped. Okay. I went short, got stopped. Yeah, so typical. Then went on tilt. Tom's second job is trading. Oh yeah, that is actually true, Camille. Yeah. If anybody, by the way, I should do that as a second income. I mean, it's not even a joke. If somebody wants to talk to me on Discord, it's only $10. It's right there in the links. It's only $10 and I can sit down with you and talk about what your mistakes was for a half hour, or an hour maybe, and you know, let's talk about it. I think a lot of people would need someone to talk to about these issues. Just tell someone what you did and let's search for those errors. I think that would be something that many people would be interested in. Talk to another trader. It doesn't really, I mean, it's not about that if the other person is a pro or not, but you can actually tell someone what happened, someone who understands what happened. That's actually a good idea. You just gave me a good business idea, Camille. That's what I'm gonna do. New website incoming. Keeping us all calm. That's my job, guys. Just gotta tell you. I mean, if you wanna relax, I'm sorry if you don't hear some music, because I put in many times music to the background, but YouTube always sends me, even for the non-copyright content, that I cannot use it for monetization. And so I decided not to put in background music because, YouTube is also a revenue stream for me. And by the way, this month I'm making over $100 with YouTube. So thank you very much for all the likes and watching the channel. $100 is better than zero and helps to pay the bills. So thank you guys for that. If you see an ad, please watch the ad in full time, because that gives more revenue. And it's free to do. When we were on Twitch, and there was ads, the viewers were supporting, like they were watching the ads, and that Twitch paid more revenue. Okay, look at that. We're going for the 95.25. Come on. Let's see. Should be popping the Asia highs here. Come on, pop it. Pop it up. Pump it up. Come on, pump it up. Pump it higher. By the way, when is April the 6th? That is like... Okay, so 2 weeks. I have 2 weeks to pass my funded futures account, and then I don't have to pay activation fee. That is something I have to consider to do in the next 2 weeks. Come on, London. Come on. Just pop the 95.25. I prefer it without music. That's good to know. And thanks for the info. Yeah, someone else told the same too, that they don't like to hear music in the background. So, okay. That's good information. Thank you. At least if you guys want to hear some music, you can always turn on your own player, your own songs. Look at that. It's playing with the nerves here. All right. Come on. Come on. This price action really shows that there is a lack of volume. Like, really. Not the perfect environment to trade in. Well, we just have to wait. Again, how surprising. I'll be selling close to 600. Yeah, that could be a classic. Well, just consider it, because above 602 there is a 1 hour gap. So if you start to sell at 600, maybe add the small position and add more in the gap. I guess that's what you're doing, maybe. Start to sell here and add more sell positions in the gap, and then maybe you average it out and just go down with it. It's gonna hit your TP. I'm not panicking. I'm super calm right now. I'm super calm. I think we're gonna go for, excuse me, we're gonna go for the 601 anyway. Sure, Fendi, sure. So we should be popping the 600s. Maybe it will take another half hour, or I don't know. Well, we should be popping that. I'm confident. It's very close. Don't panic. I'm not panicking. I'm not going to. Come on. Come on. We only need 95. In a world when traders are looking for 595 on Nasdaq, Nasdaq just looks at you in the face and smiles and says, F you, we're going down. Rated R. That's very bad. Come on, it's Friday. Should be going there. Come on, it's Friday. Don't do this. Just go up there. Be a good Nasdaq and just go up there and do your thing. Bum, bada. Yeah, what is ES doing? I think it still wants to go. There is also Asia. Yeah, Asia high right there. 53.11 should be popping. Damn it. The bulls are out of steam. You know, let's zoom it out again. And let's check this box again. The Asia highs and Asia lows. That is going to be our box right here. If we are going to range in this box, then Oh my god, this is not good news because then it can also go down. Who knows? Morris, hey there. Hello. Applause to Morris and everyone who just joined. You know what? Let's make this more stressful, okay? Oh, that's enough stress. Alright. That was enough stress. Sorry. Wait for hourly close. Yeah. Let's check the hourly. Look at this. Oh my god. Look at this candle with the long wick. I don't like that. These kind of candles with the long wick. This is actually a bad sign. Question for $1 million. Will the price go up, down, sideways, or all three? Well, I know the answer. In a world when the question is for $1 million, will Nasdaq go up or down? Nasdaq just smiles in your face and says, F you. And that's it. Rated R. I don't know. Bum, 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 bum. And there you go. Nasdaq once more smiles at you and says, this is it. That's what you wanted. So we're going to go down. Voice over now. In a world where Nasdaq decides to go down, traders already jumping out the window and buying more evaluation accounts. Drinking beer and coffee at the same time while smiling back at Nasdaq and saying, F you, Nasdaq. We can buy more evaluation accounts at any time. So, go all in, full port. Who cares? Only live once. Friday is on us. Drinks all around the weekend. F you, Nasdaq. I am. I am. It could still pop at the hour. Yeah, it could still. Rated R. That was actually good. Yeah. Makes the throat a little bit dry. Just have to wait and see. And finally, in the sequel, seems like the good guys are winning in a world where Nasdaq finally gives in, and we will see the end. And Cupop, Yeah, and Q-pop. Come on, 95. If we get through the 95, then it's all good. I think we will. $25 points in 45. Yeah. What a volume, right? It is. Oh my god. Oh, there you go. Okay, I don't care about the rest. I'm closing it down. I'm out. I don't care. I closed it. I closed it. Thank you so much. I closed the trade. I closed it somewhere here. There. I don't care about the fair value gap. Closed it manually. So I can officially say I was down $80 per account and started the day 52,255 down. I was down $80, up 312 on this one. The BULENOX account is also up $60, the first one. This is very close to being funded. And the other BULENOX account is also up 2,766. So I was down, but now I'm back up. So that's very good. The My Funded Futures account, I should be able to get this to funded in 2 weeks. But I don't know. Trying to get there. I don't want to force it. Yeah. Yeah, it was a good one. I closed it manually. I didn't wait for the final TP. I just wanted to see the Asia high being popped because it's so slow and so tricky price action. So, and there's definitely some profit taking here, but I'm not saying it cannot go into the 1 hour gap because it seems like it's gonna continue. Yeah, I copy trade, Jimmy. Yeah. I copy trade with Quantower. Actually, I was copy trading 6 accounts until last week, Wednesday. But that video got very popular. I blown 4 of my accounts. So 6 evaluation accounts was copy traded, and I blown 4 accounts because of a technical error and then a human error at the same time. And now I'm actually trading 3 evaluation accounts. I have 2 funded accounts too, and another group that I'm not sharing with you guys, but I showed last time the TOPSTEP account. So that's it. That's the thing. What's next? Yeah, sure, Jimmy. I just joined. Well, not next. We should be tapping into the 1 hour fair value gap at 601, but it's very close. If it goes, I mean, let's look at the 5 minute. There is a bearish order block here. If we look back to yesterday's PM session, New York PM session, there is a bearish order block, bearish order block here. The top of that order block is actually acting as buy side liquidity. I like that. And we have fair value gaps as well up there. I'm not saying we will go there. I'm just saying that this area could be interesting for the price to pick up some liquidity. If they want to send it lower and okay, so I'm just seeing this right now. On the 15 minute, a beautiful fair value gap. So we have targets, by the way, on the upside. We have some good targets. The only thing that we are in a daily premium, so Powell is going to speak at 10 a.m. I think. What's he gonna talk about? The Fed lesson in Washington D.C. It's gonna be at Washington, in Washington. Okay. Fed listed events, Federal Reserve Chair power, more hawkish. Okay, blah 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 blah. So Powell is going to do his thing again with the nasty stuff. So he's going to do some adult content with everyone. And yeah, you're short. Yeah, you can go short, but if I want to go short, I might want to wait for the fair value gap to play it safe, or maybe for a structure shift. I mean, I would have waited for a structure shift. There is a liquidity void, which is good for you if you're short. Down here, I'd like to see this being repriced and shifted down. Now it can still go into that sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency up there, I think. Heard you talking about bookmap. Oh, Jimmy, really? Change that really helps you? Okay, Jimmy, thank you for the insight. That I was actually looking for some other opinions from other traders. What do you think about bookmap or volume indicators? Not saying that, so I'm not looking for strategy hopping or anything. I'm just looking for some extra information, actually. So if you say that it helps, that's another information. Thank you. That's another information. Good to know. Excuse me. Please consider to use my discount codes. That really helps out the channel and me as well. Supports the stream. I don't have any other income. I mean, a very, very small side business, but I'm dedicated to the channel and the stream and to being funded with multiple prop firms. So I'm not living, unfortunately, yet solely from trading. And if you can help out this journey by using my codes and links, it's important to click the links because that's when the cookies are registering if you apply for a discount, and then I get a few dollars here and there to the tip jar, and that's it. I don't want to bore you with the details, but as you see, we have quite a few good discounts. One of the best out there right now is My Funded Futures, no activation fee, but you can also use TOPSTEP, 20% from the actual price down if you click my link. Thank you so much. That helps out the journey. And I must say that because this is a business for me, I try to stay on my feet, and that's multiple revenue. And I'm not making thousands of dollars with the affiliate commissions. Actually, as I'm counted together, I'm gonna make around $400-500 in commissions, with the affiliate commissions, with all of the companies together, everything. So I know some other people might make much more, but this one for me is helping out. But thank you so much. Few dollars here and there helps out the stream. Thank you. So we're looking for, you're going above 600, I think. Yeah, just to pinpoint entry. Yeah, exactly. That's why I was. Oh, thank you, Morris. Thank you, Morris. Morris, let me give you an applause. Thank you so much for using my code. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, there you go. We just popped into the fair value gap. So, for example, last month I made $300 with affiliate commissions, and I took out $350 from TOPSTEP. So that is nearly around $700 that I made altogether, and I did not receive YouTube revenue. So that is not enough to make a living. That's why I have a little bit of a side income here, but I want to dedicate myself fully to being here on the streams, and yeah, and also to reach the goal of pull out more money I mean, to make a living solely from trading. That's the goal, of course. That's the ultimate goal. So until then, I'm doing the affiliation promotions because that helps me out. So I have to tell this, guys. I know, because I got messages like, why are you promoting all these companies? Because that helps me out with the streams. So that's it. That's the reason. All right. We're inside the 1 hour sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. This would be an area also if you could go short, but I would wait for displacement. The next area, let me delete this. The next area, and I would be looking for a market structure shift, would be here. No, sorry. It would be here. Market structure shift right there. If it goes down there with the displacement. You reached the goal, Tom. Thank you so much, Saeed. Thank you, thank you. I mean, I'm absolutely determined to reach that goal. So, oh, Otta Pro, thank you so much for the subscription. Welcome. Welcome to the stream and the channel. Thank you. Bearish. Yeah, looks bearish. This would be the point for the market structure shift I'm looking for. Hopefully we will get it. Let's see. But no entry right now, so we're still waiting. Yeah, still waiting. Gotta wait. Gotta wait, gotta wait. You will I know. Hey Said, you will get to your dreams as well. As anybody, I mean anyone, if as long as we're not giving up on trading and you do it wisely, not with gambling, then this is a skill that will help everyone to reach their goals financially, because I think it's a great opportunity. I'm so glad, by the way, to the universe and God, or I mean that I was born in this time and I could be able to do this from the comfort of my home, and this is awesome. I love to do this. So, and I want to figure it out as much as I can. So now the market structure shift moves to here. I would like to see that level to be broken. If we go down, we have a liquidity void at 600 that should be repriced. Let's wait. Let's wait and see what it wants. Let's check. Okay, yeah. So the ES actually made an equal high with the Asia highs right there. Perfectly equal highs. So this could be popping once more, those highs. And so if it does, that might be causing NQ to drop finally. If they want to put out, so the Asia high is taken. Now, it would be reasonable. Liquidity has been swept on the fair value gap here. It would be reasonable to think that they might just want to drop it down finally to those levels. I would like to see that actually. Oh yeah, Powell is going to, is it going to be 9 a.m.? I think it's going to be, yeah, it's going to be 9 a.m. I thought it's going to be 10. It's going to be 9 a.m. Yes, you're right. That's going to be interesting right before the market open. I'm expecting that the 9:30 market open is going to be like, I don't even know. It's going to be interesting for sure. So I would not be in a position between 9 a.m. and 9:30. Just, you know, make sure to stay flat. Don't do anything because it can get very, very ugly in a short time. Still not shifting. No shift there. Dum, 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 dum. Let's see, what do we have? I hope he doesn't talk all morning. Yeah, I hope so too. I mean, you know, except for the Congress hearing, Powell doesn't really like to talk too much, I think. I mean, he has to talk at the Congress. But if this is just going to be like a simple read or a speech or whatever, then he should be finishing up in about 30 minutes until the market open. I think he wants to finish up until the market open, hopefully. So so I guess we'll see. All right, maybe we're gonna have that shift. I don't know, but we need a clean displacement. That's for sure. Yeah, would be risk off for any AM session trades if so. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Methodical man is here. Let me give an applause. I finished negative $3. Oh my god. That's unbearable, man. I took the same trade as you to get back to even. Oh, well. Come on. Celebrity in the house, by the way. Guys, Methodical Man is best friend of Michael Huddleston. And they used to play tennis every Thanksgiving. And he's also streaming. Go check him out. Yeah. So yeah, $3 in negative is actually that is something I couldn't handle on a Friday. For my standards, like $3, too much. By the way, I'm down for the Thursday stream, so I was reading your message there. So that's gonna be great. Yeah. Oh yeah. There you go. 12-hour stream featuring Tom Sable, Red Lord, Husk Trader, and Naughty Bar is gonna be on. Wow. Too many guys talking. You know, how is it gonna happen? We'll talk about it on Discord. You know, it's gonna be really crowded, which is cool. I'm gonna be. I don't even know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put on my penguin suit or something. Maybe I will. Maybe I will put on it this time. And maybe for the fun, next Thursday we still have the discount. So maybe I'm gonna buy a few more BULENOX accounts for fun, and blow away like 3 or 4 Bully accounts. How about that? Not all at once. Yeah, I suppose so. But what about I'm gonna blow away like 3 or 4 Bully accounts? That would be cool, right? Each of you has a time slot. Oh my god, I'm gonna be kicked out after London. So sad. Who cares? I'm good on my own. Oh no, I mean that would be that's great, man. That's great. I'm telling you, you're doing like a great talk show or something there. Let's see. Are we shifting down here? Perfect. Or you could just. Well, I'm not passing. Why would I pass? I'm very excited actually. No, I'm perfectly cool in London. I'll see what happens in the New York session in Thursday, and I'll see how much you guys are crowded. If you need some company, I'll be around. But I think it's gonna be a great stream. I think it's gonna be a great one. Looking forward to that. Actually, I think it's gonna be awesome. I think it's gonna be great. It's gonna be great. What should I do here, guys? There is a shift here again. Well, not a clean shift, but it is a shift. I'm gonna go with an optimal trade entry, maybe. That is at 96. Should I take this one at 96? You know, 2 contracts, maybe. I can do that. 95.75 stop loss here. Okay, I can go with there. Optimal trade entry up there. I've put a limit order. ES took Asia lows, but NQ didn't. Yeah, so if it goes back up there, we're still left with a small liquidity void, actually 2 imbalance price. So if it goes back to OTE, which for me is about equilibrium, I'm jumping into a short and gonna target all the way down. Actually gonna go down like here. It's gonna be a, oh wow, this is gonna be great. This is gonna be a 5R trade. How about that, guys? Let's do a 5R trade. Let's do it. 5R. Where is my entry? This is my limit order, and there's my stop. It's optimal trade entry at 95.75 for me. It's perfectly okay. 95.75. Yeah, this is just okay. You know what? I can put it a little bit lower. Let's just put it here. 95.50. Or actually 95.25. Okay, so this is my optimal trade entry. 95.25. There. This is going to be a 5R trade if we get tapped into this. Oh, guys, this is going to be awesome. If we get tapped in. If not, then not. Because the kill zone is going to end sooner or later. Tom eating steak tonight. I wish I would be eating steak. I wish I would be. Now this was actually an entry here. If some of you guys wanted to go aggressively into this sell. Oh, there you go. I missed it. So the aggressive entry was here at that fair value gap right there. That was the place to enter. And if I put my fib tool again here, entry is still good. My limit entry is still good if it goes there. But I might have to take it down to 94. Up 2K in shorts. Oh yeah, Morris was super good this morning. He started to short in this area and he's, oh look at that. Morris is swimming in profits. I might have to modify my entry to 94. Jersey Veselovsky just subscribed. Thank you so much for the sub. Awesome. Welcome on the channel. So it seems like 94. I'm gonna modify my entry to 94. Okay, modified it to 94. My stop loss is 605.50 if I get tagged in, but if not, then that's it. Let's see. Because the goal would be for them to, you know what? The thing is that this is a swing point again. Should I go aggressive? Because there's another swing high here. Could be a market maker sell model. Interesting. Could be a market maker sell model here. But wow, look at that. Should have entered here at 91. Would be in 10 points profit now. Oh, let me put this away. Look at this. Now there's a little bit of a FOMO here. Probably takes the elevator down, but who knows? Yeah. Don't forget, we're gonna have a Powell speech today. But yeah, it looks like it wants to take the elevator down to all the way. Well, I don't know. If I look at it on the 15-minute, this is actually a market structure shift. On the 5-minute, there's a liquidity void at 76. I think it's gonna go down there. Next possible swing point would be at 57. About 20 points down there. I don't know. Don't know. If I consider this leg as a previous swing, as a possible short, then I can still target, for example, from here Oh, come on. For example, from here, that swing low, and it would be still a good risk to reward. Yeah, could be okay, but it's not going to retrace. I think it's just dropping. I'm deleting my limit entry for now. In 601, target 560. Yeah, that's a good target. 560 is definitely a good target. John Carter should hit Fendi. Yeah. We're gonna hit. Marvin Stanley, thank you for the subscription. Welcome. Thank you for subscribing. Because you're making too much profits, man. You're making too much profits here. All right, 85. Are we gonna retrace to 85? I wonder. My only concern is that we might gonna go higher a little bit. Well, we took out that. Took out a 1 hour. I mean, this looks bearish. It's like a healthy bearish drop. Swing low at 64. But no entry for me right now. The only possible entry would be at 84.75. Let me check it. 84, maybe 84.25. I don't know. 84.25, maybe. But we don't know. He thought we're gonna hit him. Okay, 84.25. Let's see. Is it going to retrace to that area or not? I'm just wondering. I'm a wanderer. Still not there. Or is it just going to drop from here? Small fair value gap there. So this recent swing is actually a shift to the downside. Yeah, if this would be dropping down, then I would definitely like to see it go at least to the 60s-ish. If it goes down to the bottom of the box. But, you know, the 560 area is absolutely a good target. Let's see. 560. Yeah, it's a good target. $561 maybe. Don't know. Don't know. Would make good yeah. I mean, this could be. I mean, if this is a sell model from the liquidity area right there, then they should bring it lower, at least, if not even to Asia lows, but down here to this. There was this algorithmic move. Yeah, before the London Open, or was it after? No, it was before the London Open. So I mean, That could be an area to take it down there. Don't know. Just have to see it for ourselves. But yeah. But if that's the case, we should be seeing a sharp drop to that area. If that's the case. But it's a good target. I think the 560-ish area, it's a good target. We have actually a lot of liquidity here. We have this 1 hour gap. We have 4 hour gaps down there. We have the daily midnight open level down there. Who knows? It did its job by, you know, taking out Asia highs, picking into that fair value gap. I mean, digging into this fair value gap now could be the next step to go down. My only problem is that ES didn't really take out the Asia highs that much, although maybe one tick is enough. I don't know. So, oh yeah, I'm in a position. Oh, I didn't tell you guys. Sorry. I'm in a position. Let me show you. I was really. This is a position, risking $60-ish, something like that, with 3 micros. It's a tight stop, and I'm risking only from the profits. So if it takes me out, it takes me out. At least I know. And I'm also targeting the 6150 area. Actually, is what I'm targeting. 6150 is my target. People don't make too much with Apex in one day. Your withdrawals will not be approved. Small displacement above Asia, yeah. People don't make too much with Apex in one day or will not be approved. What do you mean by that? Let's see. Oh, 30% consistency rule. That doesn't really matter that much. I mean, you should be fine. You just have to trade a few more days. That's it. I mean, I think traders are overthinking that consistency rule. If you make a little bit more profit than you should in a day, then just keep on trading for a few more days. You don't have to aim for too much profits. Just do some profits, and in a few days, you're going to be okay. A few extra days. And that's it. I have absolutely no issue with consistency rule. So 30% is still okay. My funded futures has a 40% on the starter account, which is still okay. No problem with that, you know, because I'm trading small. But if you're trading bigger size, then yeah, I mean, you can hit some good days every now and then, but yeah. You can make 700 per day on the 50K NB. Yeah, I mean, 700 for one day on a 50K account. I mean, I think that's absolutely great. 700 a day. I mean, if I would make on a funded account 400 in one day on a funded account, on a 50K account, I would be definitely walking away, especially if I have multiple 50K accounts connected. I would be, if I have like 2 or more 50K funded accounts copy traded, and I would make around $200 for the day, I would be done for sure. Also, I would be just leaving the place, and that's it. Why would I give it back, and why would I aim for more? Now look at this. Look at this nasty trade. It doesn't really want to go down there, does it? If it starts to consolidate for a long time, I'm just gonna close it manually and let it be. What's the risk to reward here on my trade? I haven't really checked it. Risk to reward. Oh yeah, I should be okay at $5.66. Actually, let me check it. How much would that give me? $5.66. Yeah, maybe it would be a 566.50, and the stop was at 93. Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna go with this. Yeah, so I just recalculated my profit target. So this is my TP 566.50 according to my entry and my risk. This is 1 to 2 risk to reward. I am fine with it. If this move wants to go down, I like these candles down there, like almost equal. It looks good. If it wants to go down, it should take it out. 566. So I will be fine with that. If it goes down there. PM Sahab, thank you for the subscription. Wow. Welcome on the channel. Thank you for joining. Good to see some people subscribing. Thank you for joining the stream and the channel. And by the way, I see more than 70 people. Thank you so much for watching. And please, if you can help out the stream, just push the like button and subscribe. It really helps out the stream and the journey and the channel. And if you would like to support, because I'm not making solely a living from trading yet, you can use my discount codes and links. Please make sure to click on the link. And if you register for some of these discounted accounts, just go for it, a few dollars to the tip jar, and helps out the stream. Thank you so much. We have some good sales going on, guys. Really. Very, very good. My funded futures is not having activation fee until April the 6th, and my code gives you a 30% discount from starter. If you use my link at TOPSTEP, you get 20% off from the actual price, which is also good. And Apex still has the 1-day pass with 80% discount, which is still good. BULENOX has 90% off, but only for the first month. And I would say, wow, Buzz, thank you for the sub. Thank you again. And I would say don't go higher with 100K account with BULENOX, because the activation fee is very, very high there. So again, BULENOX only gives you 90% for the first month. Okay, that was the commercial. Start, yeah. Let's see what they say. Yeah, we hit the previous resistance around here. Yeah, it's a little bit. I mean, this level could be a little bit crazy, but I don't know. It takes time. Just be patient. Yeah. Last time I had to find someone at higher level to receive my profit, but it took around 3 months. 3 months with Apex? Wow. I never heard of that. I know a few people, they received it on time, every time. So I think that swing low inside the fair value gap after open looks juicy. Oh yeah. Yeah. I think so too. I mean, yeah. Question is, what's gonna happen? Not a big fan of BULENOX. I talked to a few people on Discord, and I watched some stuff online. The only thing, I mean, they got payouts. Support was so far okay, and the only thing that people might be concerned is the payout method, because you have to leave the threshold, which is on a 50k account $2,600, and the minimum withdrawal is 1,000, so that makes you to accumulate at least $3,600 in profit to pay out $1,000. But actually, that's all you have to aim for. Just aim for $3,600, and you can take out that 1,000. I did not read anywhere that they are not paying out people. I talked on Discord with guys who were paid out by BULENOX. I mean, if you refer to that. So, no issue. No issue. Now let's see, what do they want? We're still in the kill zone. Testing, I mean. Oh. Yeah. Testing. It encourages you to keep the account longer. I like BULENOX. Yeah, I mean, they have a cheap upfront cost, but only for the first month. You can get discount for the second month too, but not 90%. You have to use another. I have multiple codes. Tom Saber 1 to 4 or 6. I don't even know. You can try all of them. They have also option 2 accounts for end of day trailing if that's what you like. So, and yeah, so of course they're aiming for you to keep the account longer. And actually that's the goal, right? But it's very simple. Phase 1, make it to the funded phase. Phase 2, make it to $3,600 on a 50k account. That's it. Two goals you have to consider, and that's all. That is all. Sometimes the sale is recurring. Yeah, sometimes it is, sometimes not. I think that is something they should clarify when you subscribe to an evaluation account. There should be some clarification that, hey, you're going to get it for only 1 month or recurring, whatever. That is something they should do some optimization on. Yeah, if you don't pass it, just make sure to cancel it, because you're gonna get a rebuild on a higher price. Okay, we see some retracing, which I don't really like here. But we'll see. I don't like this retracement. I thought we were gonna drop. That was the plan. Do we have some news? We have Euro Summit all day, I know that, but do we have some other news? I have this opened up. Nothing. ECB news are coming out all day. So anytime they drop some small information, that can move the market a little bit. not this discounting on end of day. Please, Nasversity, you can use, for example, I'm going to show you just a second. Here it is. BULENOX coupons. I'm going to show you because it's changing all the time. Let me show you in just a second here. So option 2 accounts, option 1. So the option 2, the end of day trailing accounts only has a 58% discount with Tom Sabo 3. So go check out the Tom Sabo 3 code. And Tom Sabo 2 is not good for, so Tom Sabo 1 and 2 is not good for the end of day trailing stop accounts, of course, because, you know, that's the thing. So if you want end of day trailing stop with a cheaper price, maybe you can go with, and it's recurring, you can go with my funded futures with a starter account, which is still good. But with BULENOX, it's only 58% with Tom Sabo 3. If you want to go with that, but it's gonna be a recurring, so it's not just for the first month, I think. So it's gonna be lifetime 58%, but you know, that's what's going on with that. Activation fee, yeah. Let me go check it for you. BULENOX activation fee on the 150k, I'm sorry, on the 50k is $148, but there is a frequently asked questions about the master accounts. Oh, it goes against me now. So these are the activation fees: 148 for the 50k and 248 on the 100k, and above that it's just not worth it, it's too expensive. So 148. Again, there is no activation fee right now on my funded futures, just saying. Or maybe you can use TOPSTEP, but I like BULENOX because you can trade with micros. I think very good for diversifying where you trade. Oh, look at that, it's coming against me. So could be like Tom Sabo 69. Yeah, maybe. Yeah. So my funded futures, let me show you. Anyone using Lilo? I had a Aspire account, I closed 70 profit, but it showed as a loss. No, I never even heard of that. No, I'm sorry. Live in Harmony. I never heard of that company. Just that. Yeah. I'm sorry. I never heard of them. And so what I wanted to show is on my community tab right here. So this is the promo on the community tab. So my funded futures, no activation fee, only until April the 6th. You can find this link and everything on my community tab. 30% off from evals. So that means on a 50k account, you can start with $70. On a 100k account, $140 with no activation fee, and $210, but you have to pass it until the 6th of April. If you have the guts to do that, you can use my code TOMSABO for the starter accounts. Also, 20% off still works for the expert accounts for the resets. Sorry, only for the resets if you need the reset. But now the best deal with no activation fee, which is used to be $149, end of day trailing, very good payout policy. You can go with this if you want to. I'm sorry I couldn't help Live in Harmony. I wish I would know more information, but I don't know them. I don't want to add John Carter. I'm not going to add here. Adding to short, double down. No, I had many accounts with Lilo. Oh, I had no issue. I've never heard of that company. Why you don't YOLO 10 minis? I should do that, right? And I pass. No, I for now I want to keep an eye on for this account. I mean, actually I'm copy trading right now, so no problem. Adversity. Yeah, but I'm doing something. I don't know. I wish I could help. I will have to pick up some iFunded futures. Yeah, I mean, of course. Pick up a few of them and just YOLO. I mean, until April 6th, you can do that. Oh man, it's going against me again. I don't know, really. This price action is just... I really wanted to see it go down to the Asia lows. Maybe I was a little bit too optimistic. Maybe I was a little bit too optimistic here. Sometimes we used to see that the move happens after the kill zone. Maybe it's gonna happen right now. I don't know. I will try to pick up also. I have a few accounts to reset. Remind me your reset. Reset code is TOPSTEP. But only for the starter account, and for the expert account, for the starter $50 reset, and for the expert you get 20% discount. Yeah. And please, can you click on my link before you hit the code, because they told me that sometimes the affiliate commission only kicks in when someone clicks on my link. So sorry to say that like this, but this is how these cookies are working, they told me. So there you go, I told you. Sometimes it's better to click on the link and use the reset code. I'm sorry. Hi, FX and Trophy. How you doing? Apex 91% off. Just buy 10 accounts and YOLO them. Yeah, you can do that. Or you can do BULENOX option 1 accounts, 90% off. Click thank you. Cookies, let's eat. No problem. Yeah. Well, I mean, if you want to YOLO, the cheapest one is BULENOX, but make sure if you don't pass the accounts, just cancel them, because the second month is gonna be at full price. So they forget to add that, but just telling you, only the first month goes with 90% discount. Only the first one. Oh no, it's going against me already. What did I do wrong? What did I do wrong with my life? Alright. In serious drawdown, guys. I don't like this. I think I should close it. How about that? Is there any instruction in German? I am interested in copy trading. I don't think so. I mean, maybe Quantower has a German language version. I'm not sure about that. Maybe they have German language included. But tell the fiancé to fire up the oven. I'm on the way. All right, I'll do. I'll make sure. I'll make sure to do that. All right. Oh my God, this is gonna take me out. Such a shame. I was really hoping for this trade to pan out good. Was looking for that drop. It's gonna go above that to take that gap above, and yeah. Against me too. Yeah. Well, I'm only risking from the profit, and so if it takes me out, I'm just gonna end up with break even, and that's it. Maybe something comes up in the New York session. You know, can't win everything, and this London session was really crazy. So I'm surprised that you know, the Asia lows were left untouched like that. And the problem is that I think because of the ECB summit goes on all day, you know, spikes can come around any second, and that makes it a little bit more dangerous, if I may say so. So yeah, almost out here. And there you go, almost there. Okay, I'm out. I hold short a little bit more. Well, I'm out from this trade, unfortunately. Let me see. Yeah, out of break even. Let me check the other accounts. Yeah, break even. Yeah, break even. Every account back to break even for today. What a crazy move. What a crazy move. So right now that it goes up, it can go back to reprice this void at 97. Can easily do that. Goes to, yeah, 97. It's like 6 points up. And from what happens then, we have no idea. Absolutely no idea. It returned from VWAP. What's the biggest payout you took? The biggest payout I took was, for one payout from one account, was 1,100 something from TOPSTEP last November. I took out $4,200 from TOPSTEP from September to December. And this year I took out $350 from TOPSTEP. So I'm not there yet, and I'm building up these accounts with BULENOX, My Funded Futures, and Apex. I still have funded account with TOPSTEP, but you know, it is what it is. It is what. So I'm not a Lambo guru or something like that. But you know, I'm looking to go with small, copy trade, small, and yeah, that's it. This is a market structure shift. So if they want to bring it higher, wow, then could this be a possible shift towards the buy side, maybe up there? Take out those highs, who knows, right? I don't know. I just don't feel comfortable to go long here. If this one wants to continue bullish, then yeah, actually I think ES wants to go higher, maybe. Look at ES. If ES wants to pop higher, there is still a lot of room to go. So if this goes, then it should be going all the way up to the 600s again. Let's look at this. Liquidity void at, what's the high of this candle? 97. What's at 97? Yeah, there is a liquidity void at 97. So I don't know. Is it gonna go there? I don't know. I'm technically flat, so I have no orders. Let me show you. So I'm flat, no orders. But this could be repricing this 97 area and then maybe drop. But I'm telling you, if it would shift down once more, maybe I could give it one more try. Not sure. 10 accounts, 200 a day, 10 days, 40K a month. It's not that hard. You just need to treat these accounts like a prop firm accounts. Yeah, I mean that's the goal. Yes, yeah. So I'm going small steps, even if it takes long time, but taking small steps, and that's how I intend to do it. Maybe in the future, if I have some extra money I can spend on more evaluations, I'm gonna YOLO maybe a few accounts and try to add some more funded accounts, but only if I'm already on that phase. And we'll see, you know. I might gonna need a little bit more risk. I understand. I understand. I'm aware of that. Yeah, so go back to sleep. Okay, see you. Thank you so much for being here. Yes, thank you. And let me give you an applause for being here. Okay, so it retraced into this gap, might reprice higher. I'm just wondering if they want to continue lower to take out Asia lows. Not sure, but I do favoring the fact that we can go down to discount from premium. So if I see one more shift, I might go in once more, but we'll see. Ba-da-ba-dum. Ba-da-ba-dum. Let's wait and see. I'm gonna go grab a drink and go to the bathroom. Please don't go away and push the like button and subscribe. Thank you. Okay, we're back. We are back. All right, it seems like it might want to go higher a little bit. How's it look like? Took out that 1 hour gap. We need to wait a little bit here. And maybe look for something else. Maybe look for the real draw on liquidity. Which could be down there. We'll have to see those Asia lows being taken. Let's see. I have 4 Apex 50K accounts. So I'm using MNQ up and down until it's green. Is this my daily goal is still 300? Well, you know, it's okay as long as it works out for you. Just came to say good morning. Oh, not trading today. Thank you so much for dropping in the X12. Thank you. Welcome. So yeah, I think just that's a good plan. I mean, as long as you know your entry model and how to spot the trades and you follow your plan, I think that's all that matters. Just, you know, have to use proper risk management. That's all. If you can do that, basically every strategy can work out. Just go with micros and it should be okay. What is the next news event? Tom, do you watch volume profile? No, McLovin, I'm not. I know, I mean, I know about it, and I know a lot of traders are using it, but I didn't really, you know, studied that one. Maybe I should look into that. That's why I was asking, should I study these kind of volume indicators or volume profile in this matter? But of course, I'm staying with my core entry model, but yeah, it's always good to have some more info. You're not using any TP or stop loss. Well, that's also a way to go. There are traders who are not using stop loss. I'm not saying I'm not saying I always put a stop loss, because sometimes I don't when I scalp, like for a few seconds, but you know, at least maybe you can put on a hard stop loss. I mean, far from your mental stop, just to make sure that if you lose connection to the broker or whatever happens, your capital should be protected in a way. As since the move just bouncing between volume, all-time low, all-time high, bear gap. Yeah. Yeah, it's this bearish gap here on the 15. No structure shift though. I need the structure shift. But there's definitely volume down there. Tapped into this 1 hour gap. We still have buy side at 622. Hard to say what's gonna happen now. This fair value gap up there at above 622. It's actually looking very good. And I think ES is gonna pop higher. And if ES is going higher, then we should be seeing some more movement right here. Let me check. No entry. No entry, no bueno. No idea what price wants right here at this point. Feels like again that they just pulled the plug. I'm gonna check a... Yeah, we're still in an uptrend. Moving averages are showing that we are in an uptrend. Interesting. $10 points down to this swing low, and if it breaks it, then it can go again for those lows. That is interesting. This is a shift again in market structure, so if this is going to, yeah, there you go. It's breaking this swing again here, or it might break it. And that is a bearish order block on the 1 minute. Out short plus 1K. Nice. Congratulations there. Congratulations. And this one is breaking lower, I think. Not sure though. I mean, it looks like that we have this swing here. I like that area at 64. And we have now a fair value gap right here. Let me put this a little bit lighter right there. Should be tapping into that gap. There you go, right now. So, you know, this one could be a possible break lower, but I'm not sure. Not sure. How do you like BULENOX? So far, I mean, I do not have a payout from BULENOX because I just started to trade with them this year. I only got payout from Apex, Anna, but I know people, streamers and people on Discord who got payouts from Discord, and the customer service was so far very good. Connection issues, no problem so far. The platform was okay. Upfront cost is cheap, so I had no issues with BULENOX. Again, me personally, I did not have a payout with them, but I know people who had and still have, and you know, nobody had issues so far. I think it's a good opportunity to expand my diversification in the prop firm space. So yeah. So I have no issues with Bully. No problem. I mean, as I said, I just started with them this year. I only took payouts from TOPSTEP so far. Last year and this year only once. And this is why I'm here trying to build up more evaluation and funded accounts. And Bully is a smaller company, but so far they're doing good. And that's it. We have a sell side. I'm just gonna put a marker to make sure. Do we have a sell side here? Down there. Should be right at 63. Let me delete this gap. So we have these candles on the 1 minute. Could it go down there? I'm wondering. It's like about 10 points down. Is it gonna break? Hard to tell at this point, right? Let's see. I'm just waiting for the direction here. Actually, this didn't break the 74. Maybe on micro. Yeah, on micro it might did it, but it didn't on the mini. No break on the mini, right? Yeah. Anyway, these are swings, lower highs in the 1 minute. We have buy side up there as well. We still have partially the 1 hour fair value gap up there. So if ES wants to pop higher, it can take NQ with it. So still riding the wave. Nice. Nice. Well, you know, it's in the cards. The only thing I see is that ES wants to pop that 11 area. I wonder what's going to happen after that. If it pops that level. Is NQ going to drop after that, or is everything is just going to skyrocket after ES takes out the Asia high? That's something I would like to see happening. I mean, I would like to know first. That swing low is 20 points down, and we have the midnight range and a lot of liquidity at the Asia lows. Everything depends on ES. Well, actually not that much, but still have to keep an eye on. Don't know how long though. Well, yeah, it's it can take a while for sure. Let's see. ES is trying to pop it again. Okay, NQ goes up too a little bit. All right. Made almost like a relative equal low here too. Which is a little bit interesting, but I don't know what to make of it. I guess we'll have to find out. We just have to wait and find out. Hey Dorcas, how you doing? Hi traders, you're not late actually. You're not late. Actually, just the usual happening, which is nothing much. Ranging here, waiting for a decision from NQ and or ES of which direction it wants to go. Make money of it, yeah. PA account. Oh, 53. Oh, nice. Second, 52,555. Oh, very nice. Very, 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 very nice. Congratulations. Let me give you an applause there. That is huge, man. On PAs, that is great. Well, I don't know. I don't know what it wants to do. I mean, the reasonable choice for, and I don't know what about ES, but for NQ it would be reasonable to take out these equal lows. There's a beautiful sell side here at that swing, and then we have more liquidity down there. So quite a few reasons to drop for NQ. But look at this, it's actually not moving, it's turned off. It has been turned off officially. So no movement. Officially has been turned off. Thank you. So I'm waiting for our first payout. Well, that is awesome. I'm really, that could be an awesome feeling there with these accounts at once. Very good. That is very good. All right, so ES might try to pop those highs, which is going to pop NQ too. And if that happens, you know, we might see some movement here soon enough. Maybe all the way to, well, to that 97-ish area. That's a healthy 10 points, but we don't know. We don't know. I feel like these lows are still looking good for targets, but nothing else. I have still like 6 more days to add. Well, that's good. You can do that. Just trade with 1 micro and you're good. I have a feeling we'll push down. I don't know, man. Look at that. It's because of ES. ES wants to take out the 5311. And maybe after that, maybe after ES makes its move, it's only one handle. Maybe then we will have the drop. But until ES is up there, NQ is not going to let it go. NQ is going to stay up there, and yeah. That's how it is. Maybe some volume is gonna kick in from 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I don't know. But gotta have to wait. Stop mood 594. Yeah. I mean, not too much action. Some pullbacks here and there, but I wouldn't say that this is anything special. We just stuck here. Oh, very good, Ijaz. Very good, very good. You're close. Oh, sorry. So not that close. Okay, 400 more. I mean, that's doable. Shouldn't be a big deal, even if it takes for a few weeks. All right, guys. I think I'm gonna cut it here. There's just nothing happening for me. I'll be back in New York session. Let's hope we will see some movements. I'm just getting a little bit tired here. So thank you so much for watching. Please use my codes, help out the stream, push the like, subscribe, and thank you so much for being here. We'll be back in New York session, and you guys are awesome. I'm really, really grateful for you guys to join. And if I don't see you in New York, then I'll be back in London session next week too. All right. Thank you guys again. Applause. See you guys later. Take care.